Hi, welcome back. You have now understood rationalizing the denominators and how the operations of addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division which are applicable to the real numbers, rational numbers, and how are they applied on irrational numbers. So that holds good with irrational numbers also. Now let us look at the next aspect of law of exponents. So we have learned the law of exponents in our previous classes for real numbers. So let us brush them once again, revise them once again, so that we can see how we can make them applicable in the cases of irrational numbers also. So let us now plunge into trying to understand trying to brush again or to revise the laws of exponents that we have learned in our previous classes. Okay, so just begin. Let's begin. Now, the first law that you've done, you can remember if I write a to the power m, a is nothing but the base, a is called the base, and m is called the index or power. Okay, this is called the index or the power, and this is the base. A is called the base. So if I write 3 to the power 2, that means 3 is the base and 2 is the index. Okay, and your plural of index is indices. Okay, indices or indexes, whatever it is. Now let us see the laws of exponents. Laws of exponents. You have a to the power m into a to the power n. If you see here, the bases are the same. Bases are the same while the indexes are different. So in this case, the law of exponent says it is a to the power m plus n. A to the power m plus n. So this is, if I example, if we have 3 square into 3 to the power 4, so this is going to be 3 to the power 2 plus 4. So that is equal to 3 to the power 6. So this is the answer. Fine. The next applicability is, so this is multiplication. Then you have a to the power m divided by a to the power n. Again, this the bases are the same, indices are different. Bases, that is, both are a, and in this case it is a thing but a to the power m minus n. Okay, this is rule 1. You can see this is rule 2, m minus n. So that is example 3 to the power 4 divided by 3 to the power 3 is equal to 3 to the power 4 minus 3. That is 4 minus 3 is equal to 3 to the power 1 is equal to 3. So this is the second one. Now let us see the third law of this. Now you have a to the power m and to b to the power n. B to the power m. In this case, if you just see, the bases are different. In this case, the bases are different where the indices are the same. In the previous case, what you had seen, bases were the same, indices were different. But here in this case, bases are different, indices are same. So in this case, that is ab to the power m. That is a into b whole to the power m. Example, 3 to the power 3 into 4 to the power 3 is equal to 3 into 4 to the power 3. That is equal to 4 3s are 12 to the power 3. This is your answer. right?